Mammoth. Mumbo. Let's play this one. It's got the same thing, the raise and the drop. Guess that's not. You get drunk and play this, you'll just totally lose. Somebody will watch this and tell me that I had a couple winning spins I didn't see, I'm sure. It tells you. It won't let you spin if you got to win. I see. I see, said the blind man, screaming at his deaf wife. Come on. Couldn't mumbo jumbo me. Oh, bonus. Nice. It just says girls. No boys, just girls. Perfect. Let's go for the small doors. Let's take the roads less traveled. Oh, yeah, that's how you do it. Keep with the little doors or now? Now we'll switch it. Oh, jeez, we got the green lady. Big door. I had it. Stay away from the big door. 850 bonus. That was nice. Oh. One measly casket. I guess you fill that up for that. I got it. Oh. Dogs. Hot dog. Zombo Mambo. Mambo number 5. That's what reminds me of. Oh, got it. Bonus. Call me Bonus Wagner. We're going all little doors. Stay away from the big doors. Ah! It's one of the big doors, but still, it was a weak. $1 more than last time. Take it. Oh, what do we got? Oh, dogs. Hot dog. Dollar make you holla. Come on, bonus. Ooh, what do we got? Dogs again. Weakest pay line there is. Dogs. Ain't getting none of that yet. Oh. Just said it. We got a $5 line hit coming. Oh, snappity dappity. Boom. Moving on up. Got the bars. Haven't got the. I might have got the sevens. We got sevens once. No picture frames are higher. Oh. Woof, woof, woof. My dog looks like that, but brown. Name Zeus. Still not even close. Oh, does give you something. Nice. Red, white, and blue. Jump off. I wish that should be wild. It's the top. Imagine. That would be insane. Can I go up too? Oh. Doggies. Oh. Dogs in the house. Woof, 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 woof. And my dog's in the house. And they're back in the house. Oh, he's got the bar hit. $5. Alright, should I go out? Keep playing this. What's the next bet? I'm going quarter bet. This thing still pays 600 top. $5 bet. Yeah, I think you're waiting until the next morning for the manager to get here. They're not giving you $6,000 at the front desk. This little Bumpkinville hotel. Let's play on a quarter for a little bit, and then we'll go to 75. I didn't know there was a casino in this hotel. I didn't bring any money with me. What do I got left? Wait, let's just put what I got in my pocket in the machine. I'm putting in every dollar I got. I don't even know if there's an ATM around here. There's gotta be one somewhere, but. Alright, what do we got there? Alright, we got 25. Let's go. Let's play here for a couple spins. Butter her up. See if she'll give us any bigger pay items on this bet. Alright, 50 cents. This week. That sucks. Up to 75. 1,800 hit. Come on, Mumbo. Oh, what do we got? Oh, dogs. My dogs are in the house again. Might not be in Texan Jack Potter's basement, but. Oh, snap. I want to see where you have to make a decision. Like there's a bar here and a dog there, and you have to pick what line do you want to win on. Nah, that'd be cool. Oh, bar. 750 hit. Take it. Doggies. Dogs are in the house. Oh, 2 zombos. I could have went. Where's my Zombo Mambo? Damn it. Oh, never mind. What am I saying? I got sevens. $30. Nice. Now we're gambling, y'all. Slot donkeys. Oh, now we're rolling, baby. Got a bonus. Alright, we're going to stay with the same strategy. We're going with all the little doors for the girls' house. Oh. She hit in a little door. Bigger bet, weaker bonus. Take it though. 52.35 now. I want to see this guy. Haven't got him yet. Oh, leave me. Oh, green guys. Dog will bite your ass. Zeusy. Oh. That Mumbo. Oh. Look at that baby. Got 3 of them on the screen here. Let me slide this baby here. Arm's starting to hurt. Gotta switch hands. Oh, red, white, and blue sevens. Got a piece. Little piece. Alright, we'll play like 35 and then we'll go out and see the other game. We haven't played one. Oh, dogs. Two dogs. 2 spins in a row, 2 dogs. Let's go to $1. What? How did it go down? It was just... Look. 1,800. I go to $1. It goes down to 522. 1,800. The 50-cent bet is higher than the $1. How crazy is that? That's insane. I see now. So I guess once someone hits it, it goes away, because if you play on a $1 bet, it's only $5.22 for the top line. On the 75 cents, 1,800. 125 is 14. Oh no, it's 5.22 still. I don't get that. Huh. That's weird. Something wrong with this machine. I think the Hack Potter programmed it. Oh, bonus. Honus Wagner. I mean, call me Bonus Wagner. All right, we're going big doors this time. And know our strategy. It's working against us. Ah. Doggies. I'm out of drink. Barsies, $7.50. Thing's pretty nice. I'm just happy to play a slot machine. Pandemic slots. I might stay here. I would have stayed here all week and not went home if I knew there was a slot machine in the lobby. Sorry, honey. Special study in Farmville. Oh no. I just unplugged the slot machine. Let's see what happens. What kind of donkeys have the plug right there? My foot hit the plug. We're about to see what happens. At least good thing I got video. If it don't have my money in it when it restarts. American Nudge. And your answer is, do we have any money? Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Shocker. Slot donkey kicks out the freaking cord. Let's push this thing against the wall. She's not there anyway. There's the front. Here, tour my luxurious hotel. There's no one here but the old slot donkey. Sitting in the lobby, playing some it-looking machine. Huh? Maybe if you unplug it, it gets lucky. 750 hit after the unplug. What's not gonna do? She cools off for giving her an unplug. Dogs in the house. Oh, we had the green guys, man. That would have been so nice. Be sitting out here till morning playing this thing. I hit that. Where's my van? My bonus van. Bonus Wagner comes driving down the street in the bonus van. There he is, Bonus Wagner. He came. Alright. Small or little? Last stuff. We started small, we're gonna go back to small. Oh, yeah. First Lady, 750. Oh, they're loving us. Hot in the city right now. Oh, darn. Why didn't I go up? It's like, it's my best one I got so far. Oh. Bang up. 52. My boy Ray Ray. Ray to the Lewis. 750 hit. We're doing it.